Hello everyone, welcome to Code for Word, and this is second video of learning develop morning stack, and we are going to install VS Code for our upcoming editing. So start with. So first, just open any laptop, any browser, just search VS Code download, then click here and you can open as well fast in this section. So basically after that, you will see in this uh, wait some maybe network for slow network, just here is the simple way what you need to do. If you are using Linux or anything Linux, then download in here. If you using Mac, then click on here. Also if you are using Windows 11, 10, 11, just click here. You can just click here and start downloading it. After it and click here, so then you will install it, and after that you will get that packet install. After install it, you will see this type of interface in your desktop site. After that, just click this icon, VS Code icon. After that you will see this uh, pop-up message, so just click next in here. After that, yeah, remember that you have to check I accept the agreement in this, otherwise it won't be able to click in next button. So simple, and check first, ensure you have checked I accept agreement. After that you will able to next and click next. After that uh, just click next. After that you will see this type of interface. Just click install on button. After that it will be installing, and after installing completed, you will simple see uh, this completion option, simple finished. Click finished icon. After that you will open that app again, VS Code, or just it will open automatically. Just after that you will see first uh, nothing, just some pop-up off, and you don't need to do anything. Just after that, so mm, you can do anything like simple. After that you need to just nothing, you need to create file. So we are a modern stack developer, we are a web developer, so just learning in tomorrow session will be HTML about us. So let's create already HTML file. One HTML file is simple. Click on this icon. This is a file, a new file icon, or this is a new folder icon. Just click here and let's index, sorry, set name index.html extension. This is the extension you will need to, in you are creating HTML file, then you will set .html. If you are creating JS file, then you will need to set .js as well, CSS as well. Just here simple trick. Basically you don't need to do anything in creating a structure of index file. So just like that, not a doc type HTML. After that HTML lang blah blah blah, you don't need to invest more time in that scenario. Just click shift and exclamation, and you will see this option. Simple click here and you will get boilerplate. It's called boilerplate, which is automatically comes. So this is a boilerplate. So simple, you will set here is h1 and set hello world. It's simple. If you want to uh, So this is how this code looks in the web page. A simple click here. So after that you can see it's look like this. Hello world. So today's session in this video today is in this how to install VS Code. So